Good evening, everyone. This is Sensei from Sensei Traders Academy. For today's video, guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-install yung indicators natin, ang best reversal indicators natin, Sensei best reversal indicators, yung combination natin na indicators. So, ituturo natin sa inyo kung paano siya gagana. So, let's go. Bisa natin dito. Let's say, sa file natin, sa group natin, sa Telegram natin, sa VIP group natin, meron tayong binibigay na mga indicators doon. So, puntahan nyo lang yon, yung VIP natin na channel. Pag nasa loob na kayo, punta kayo sa file. So, ito yung VIP channel natin. So, meron tayong free signals every day. So, maliban sa signals, meron tayong binibigay na free education, indicators. So, puntahan nyo yung file. So, ito yung binigay natin na pinaka-latest na indicator na binigay natin dito sa VIP group natin. Nung June 1 natin binigay yan sa inyo. So, yung Smart Money Concept, ito ding Smart Money Concept Indicators, MT4 to MT5. Ngayon, focus tayo sa pinaka-latest na binigay ko sa inyo na indicator, which is MT4 or MetaTrader 4. Doon nyo lang siyang pwedeng install. Yung pinakauna nyong gawin, i-save nyo yan. Select nyo yung indicator na yan. Then, i-save nyo yan. Save as sa file nyo. So, kunwari, na-save nyo na sa file ninyo. So, alis tayo dyan. Punta kayo sa file ninyo kung saan nyo na i-save. So, ito. So, na-save ko na sa file ko yung indicator. Ayan. Nasa file ko na siya, na-save ko na, kunwari sa file. Galing sa file ninyo, kukunin nyo yung indicator na na-save. So, ito yung indicator na yon. Sensei No Loss Forex Signal. So, you can click the indicators. Then, just copy the indicators. After copying the indicators, go to your MT4 account. Then, paste into your MT4 account. Go to your file from MT4 account. You can do it by demo account or real account, so it's up to you. Click the open data folder. After clicking the open data folder, you can go to MQL4. Click MQL4. Then click indicators. So you can paste Control V. So you can paste the indicator. So after you paste the indicator, so close again, go to your file, click templates. So after clicking the Sensei No Loss Forex Signal, click template, then copy the template, copy, then close. Same procedure. Open data folder, click that one, then templates. So you can paste templates, then after that close, then refresh. For example, this one, you can refresh the indicators, refresh the chart, and you can select you want to trade UDUSD. So this is the chart of UDUSD. Then how to paste the indicator, go to templates. So this one, this side, templates, click that one. Then Sensei No Loss Forex Signal, click that one. And this is it. See, as you can see, guys, ito na yan. So after that, if you want to scalp, go for 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 1 minute. It's up to you. So for me, I prefer to go 15 minutes. So for example, there is a buy position. So just wait. The black circle and the green dot, then the confirmation is arrow, black arrow going up. For sell position, red circle, together with red dot plus confirmation. Confirmation is red arrow. That's the example, guys. For example, BTC for our time frame. So the BTC, see, going down. So stop loss above the red circle for sell position. Then the TP is 1:2. It's up to you. It depends to the target that you want. So that's it. For example, for a gold position, let me show you guys. So this is the example of a buy position. I have a buy position, then I have a stop loss this area, then take profit 1:1 or 1:2. So it's up to you. If you can find a good signal, then you can trade. But at what I mean, you need to check first the trend, and you need to check first your strategy. Then you can add the indicator as your confirmation. So you can follow the indicator as your confirmation, but first you need to check the trend line, the market structure, what happened to the market, if the market is going up or going down. So you need to follow the trend. Then if you can find then another confirmation is our indicator. Always use proper risk management, always use stop loss if you want to try this indicator, so your account will be safe. So upon using this indicator, this is my previews. This is the result. So I have stop loss, also massive stop loss, but overall running profit. So that's why I keep using this indicator. So for me, the indicator, it's very helpful. I designed the indicator. I get 4 indicators to combine those indicators. Then I decided to make it one. Then now that's the result. So you can enjoy that indicator, and more pips to come. Looking forward for more profits to come, everyone, and God bless you all. Thank you.